We recorded a whole introduction for the video, but unfortunately I wasn't recording properly, so we have no material. So hi guys, welcome to the channel. We're here. We actually took a tour today to go sightsee wild dolphins, and unfortunately, because I'm a I also forgot the SIM card on my GoPro, so we're gonna have to pay a fortune to get the videos, but it was so good that we're gonna have to put it. So let me show you around. How was your first dive?
Fucking awesome.
Fucking awesome. How was your first dive?
Great.
Good-looking gentleman is the best instructor in the place. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Take care. Where is she, sir?
Tommy looks like a camel.
I am a camel. Hi everyone! Hello! We spent a few days on the Hurghada, very nice on the resort. We've done dolphins, we've done diving, we've done a wedding, and now it's time to go to Luxor. So Tommy has a contact, and they are organizing for us the transportation over there, so we don't really know how is it gonna be. So we will show you around. One last beer before we go.
Cheers.
The best bartender.
Thank you so much.
On the whole Long Beach Resort. If you ever come here, come to him, love him because he's the best one.
Bye, Luxor. We will miss you.
like crowded cities though.
I broke the microphone, so the audio is gonna be.
Goulash. And this is basbousa. And we call this, I think, remosh. Smell and some other stuff, but I don't remember it very well.
Gonna start with this one here.
It's very familiar, but I can't come up with a name.
Wow, this is so beautiful.
Oh, this is great!
بتاعتنا بتاعتنا شو؟
So that's why she can